Don't we plus verb is used to ask your companions if they agree or disagree with something you say about yourselves or your actions. Sometimes the speaker just wants to ask for a confirmation of something and expects a positive answer. Examples. Don't we have the most beautiful house in the village? Don't we need to buy a doghouse? Don't we own this company? Don't we care for you that well? Don't we look good in our suits? Don't we design houses beautifully? Don't we need to get a license for this? Don't we own even just one umbrella? Don't we feed our dog chicken? Don't we cook the best tasting chicken soup in town?